Here's a better picture of the baby one right here. Eating.
One right there.
And that's a baby one. Y'all can see them better. The fourth one, I couldn't really see good enough. So it's 4 rabbits out here at Payne Perry so far that we've seen. That one's still there?
Yeah, right there.
This one right here. I want to catch it. What you think? We can catch it?
Yeah, if you hold my legs, I can sneak down
and catch it. Look, it's right there. Oh, it's moving.
You was right there.